once again, the curse of the old camera hits. Keeps telling me to change batteries, and I put in a fresh set when I started these videos, so they shouldn't be that old. But just in case, I put in a new set, and hopefully it won't shut down after two words this time. But that finishes off the sewing here. I just finished the end of the yarn. I'm just hiding the I'm going to knot off the yarn here, and then I'm going to hide the end of the yarn inside of the scarf. No. I'll just cut the yarn here, pull on a little bit, and the tail of the yarn is hidden. Now, to make a fringe, you want to take about 1.5 inches or so of the yarn, and you'll need several pieces of each color. I'm just going to do one piece of each color. And they should be about the same length. Right about there. Then you take the crochet hook, like this one. Let's see, this is a size, see, this one is 5.25 millimeters. I think that's size I. And go to the edge of the scarf, stick the hook through a couple of the stitches there, take the yarn and fold it in half, catch both pieces of yarn at that halfway point with the yarn hook, or with the hook, and pull it through, and take the rest of the yarn, pull it through so you have a slip knot, and then pull it tight. And that's how you create a fringe. You just go across like that. And since Craig doesn't want a fringe, I'm going to show you that it's also easy to take it off. Just catch the slip knot, pull it loose, and pull it out. That's all there is to it if you decide not to make a fringe. And once you have the fringe on, you can either trim it so it's all the same size, or if you want the wild look, just leave it the way it is when you're done. And so here's the whole scarf. Goes around the neck like so. And there you go. And I think Craig's going to like it. So that's the end of this video. I will be making another one in a while showing the other project that I do, which is the baby blanket. I hope this one is, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you come back to check out the other one. Goodbye.